I've been teaching here at Hopkins for 13 years. I would say that our students are middle to lower class. We have about 350 students, maybe a little bit more, but for the most part, we're just from, a rural area.
These kids just don't have access to some of the stuff that the kids do in these closer in the city, so it's great to be able to target those Richland 1 schools that were out there a little ways and to be able to really bring a great project to them.
All of our students have health as a part of their regular day curriculum, so you have like maybe one unit that touches on nutrition, but with the telehealth program, it's a research-based program that focuses on the nutrition that I think they really benefit from.
The educational program is focused on obesity prevention and reduction here in the Lower Richland community. Through that program, we offer 16 weeks worth of content on obesity prevention and reduction, and that content varies from topics like my food has a hole in it related to eating whole grains, to other topics such as last week, how to make a healthy, nutritious snack with your family. And this week, things such as helping in the kitchen, teaching kids how to use a measuring cup so that they can measure portions appropriately.
Currently, this program is in 3 elementary schools. We have Weber Elementary School, Gadsden Elementary School, and Hopkins Elementary School.
Very good. So you're going to be serving?
With our SNAP Ed program, if I went out as a dietitian to the school, I would have had to drive to each of those individual schools on different days, maybe different times, whereas in one setting here with telehealth, I was able to reach 60 kids in one shot. So it really expands the reach of the program. It's super fun, and that's such a great age where they really embrace it.
The majority of the students that we focused on with this program this year are between the ages of 7 and 10. For kids at this particular age, it's important to go ahead and implement those things now as it relates to healthy lifestyles. For 7 to 10-year-olds, their cognitive level is at a point where they suck up things like a sponge.
We're trying to make a difference, and we want to get these kids at a very young age thinking about making healthier foods and snacks and the importance of nutrition and how it plays a part in their day-to-day lives.
If we can attack that age group now, then their behaviors will linger on into adulthood.
I've noticed that my students, after going through different lessons, they are more cognizant of what they eat and what they drink.
They were given a challenge at the beginning to keep track, and they got these little cool notebooks, and every time they drank a cup of water, they were supposed to put a hash mark in. It's amazing how it took off.
We had one student, her name is Aria Richardson. She drank over 2,000 cups of water. Aria is a 4th grader here. When she found out that water was going to make her healthier and make her skin prettier, she set that goal early on that she was going to drink the most water. And that's exactly what she did.
Nutrition and health become really exciting to them, and that's the fun part. That's why I enjoy my job and I love what I do. I get to make a difference, and I really get to see an impact in what it does for these kids.